Welcome to Differential Calculus for Beginners, the path to your dream career. My name is Richard Hahn. I earned my PhD in mathematics from the University of California, Riverside. I have extensive teaching experience, 6 years as a teaching assistant at University of California, Riverside, over 2 years as a faculty member at Western Governors University, #1 in secondary education by the National Council on Teacher Quality, and as a faculty member at Trident University International. After taking this course, you will have refreshed your knowledge of calculus for your career so that you can earn a higher salary. You will have a required prerequisite for lucrative career fields such as computer science, data science, actuarial science, financial mathematics, engineering, cryptography, economics, and medicine. You will be in a better position to pursue a master's or PhD degree. In this course, I cover the core concepts such as limits, continuity, differentiation, rates of change, related rates, and optimization. I will break it all down into bite-sized, no-brainer chunks. I explain each definition and go through each example step by step so that you understand each topic clearly. I will also be available to answer any questions you might have on the lecture material. Practice problems and detailed solutions are also provided to check your understanding. If you're a working professional needing a refresher on calculus, or a complete beginner who needs to learn calculus for the first time, this online course is for you. If your busy schedule doesn't allow you to go back to a traditional school, this course allows you to study on your own schedule and further your career goals without being left behind. If you plan on taking calculus in college, this is a great way to get ahead. If you're currently struggling with calculus or have struggled with it in the past, now is the time to master it. If you commit to listening to just 15 minutes of this course every day, you'll have learned differential calculus in just about 2 weeks. Don't worry about getting stuck. I'm just an email away, so don't procrastinate. Enroll now.